In this open response question, we're asked to find the difference in the cost of 100 grams of cereal between a large box of Healthy Start cereal and a small box of Healthy Start cereal. Well, let's start with the small box, and we can see that the cost is given as $0.0098 per gram. That symbol right there means per, and it means to divide. So we can write this as $0.0098 per 1 gram in this case. Now we want 100 grams of cereal. So what we do is we multiply this by 100 grams. And when we do that, the grams themselves will cancel out. And if I'm multiplying by 100, really what I'm doing is moving the decimal over 2 spaces by the number of zeros in the number we're multiplying by. So if I did that, the cost of 100 grams of the small box cereal would be 0.98 or 98 cents. So let's now look at the cost of the large box, and we can see that it's given as $5.25 for, or again this means per, divide 480 grams. And again we want 100 grams, so what we do is we multiply this by 100 grams. Now we can use a calculator here and take 525 divided by 480 times 100, and again you'll notice that the grams will cancel out, and what we'll end up with is $1.09375. Now for money we deal in dollars and cents, so really what we're going to do is round up to the nearest penny. So in this case the 3 here is less than 5, so we just actually round down and get rid of this, so it's $1.09 for the cost of 100 grams of the cereal in the large box. Well, our goal is to find the difference in the cost for the 100 grams. Well, difference means to subtract. So what we do is we take the $1.09 for the cost of the large box, the cereal in the large box, and subtract the 98 cents for the cost of the cereal in the small box, and that's a cost of 100 grams each. And when we subtract that, we end up with $0.11 or 11 cents. So the difference in the cost for 100 grams of cereal in these two boxes is 11 cents, 0.11. And there you go.